Imagine this. You visit a hospital, apply for a job, shop online, or even take a flight, and AI is quietly working in the background at every step. AI isn't just in labs anymore. It's already transforming entire industries and your daily life. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of AI. Today, we'll explore 10 industries most impacted by AI. Some of them may surprise you. AI is saving lives. Doctors use it to analyze X-rays, MRIs, and lab results in seconds, sometimes spotting things the human eye can miss. In hospitals, it helps predict patient risks so doctors can act earlier. Even simple tools, like chatbots that schedule appointments or check symptoms, make healthcare faster, more reliable, and more accessible for everyone. Think of AI as your personal financial watchdog. It monitors billions of transactions to catch fraud instantly, like spotting an unusual charge on your card. AI also powers robo-advisors, helping people invest smarter with less risk, and offers customer service that answers banking questions day or night. Cars are learning to drive themselves, thanks to AI analyzing cameras, sensors, traffic data, and even weather in real time. Delivery companies use AI to find faster routes, saving time and fuel. And in aviation, AI helps airlines plan safer flights and reduce delays. Ever notice how online stores seem to know what you want? That's AI recommending products based on your past clicks and purchases. It also powers personalized ads, inventory management, and chatbots that answer shopper questions instantly. AI tutors act like digital study buddies, adjusting lessons to each student's speed and style. Teachers use AI to automate grading and track class progress, freeing up more time for real teaching and mentoring. For students, it's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Farms are getting smarter. AI drones scan fields for pests, water needs, and crop health. With this data, farmers can use fewer chemicals and grow more food sustainably. It's like giving farmers superpowered eyes in the sky. AI shapes the content we love. It curates playlists, recommends shows, and even helps studios design characters or movie scripts. Gamers also see AI in action, where NPCs, non-player characters, act smarter and adapt to player choices. The hiring is faster with AI. It screens resumes, finds top candidates, and even automates interview scheduling. But it's not without debate. Critics worry about fairness and bias, reminding us that humans must stay involved in final decisions.
We've all chatted with a support bot. AA answers common questions instantly, like password resets or shipping updates.
When things get complex, it hands you over to a human agent who's already been briefed by AI. That means faster, smoother help for customers. So, of these 10 industries, which one do you think AI is changing the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.